Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. Today I'm sharing a fall morning routine with you guys. It was actually a Saturday morning here and my husband had already gotten up and started to make breakfast. So while he was cooking, I decided to go ahead and wash my face and brush my teeth and get myself kind of ready for the day before I went in and we ate together and we just spent a little time this morning together.
I wanna stay up late with my heart in your head. Maybe stare too much cause you don't understand. You got me going.
On the weekend mornings, my husband and I like to spend a little time together, whether it's watching TV or just relaxing together or doing something together, just because during the week he gets up so much earlier than I do because he has to be at work and he's usually up and gone before I'm even out of the bed. So we like to spend a little bit of quality time together on the weekend mornings before we get our day started.
Or just the best you've ever had. Or just the best you've ever had.
Like I had already mentioned, my husband had started cooking breakfast for us. He was trying to surprise me with it before I woke up, but I woke up a little too early, but it's the thought that counts and I really did appreciate it. So I gave him a little time to kind of get things finished up before we sat down together and watched a show and ate, and like I said, just spent some quality time with one another.
Wait a second. I wanna stay up late with my heart in your hand. Maybe stare too much cause you don't understand. You got me going.
Once we are finished eating, I like to go ahead and finish getting myself ready for the day. That way I don't procrastinate and spend the rest of the day in my comfy clothes. So I'll just go ahead and quickly do a little bit of makeup and pick out my outfit for the day and go ahead and finish up with my hair.
Cause I'm a little bit unsteady, even a little bit mad. Might be a disaster, or just the best you've ever had. 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 Cause I'm a little bit unsteady, even a little bit mad. Might be a disaster, or just the best you've ever had.
It's 1 a.m. and I ain't tired. I can stand right here and talk all night.
So I want to know, what does your fall weekend morning look like? Do you have a set routine, or do you just kind of go with the flow and decide that day what you guys are going to do? I know all the fun fall things like fall festivals and pumpkin patches and stuff like that are happening this time of year. So let me know in the comments what your typical weekend fall morning looks like.
What you wanna do now? Should we head back to my place? When you give me that smile, think my heart's turning up the pace. I don't care about what we do if I get to be with you. What you wanna do now? What's to be afraid of when we're young, stupid, and in love? When you talk or listen close, there's just something about your voice. I think that every word you say to me is like poetry. I just want you for my own. It's really easy to tell that you're the best girl I've ever known. I'm not gonna waste this. What you wanna do now? Should we head back to my place? When you give me that smile, think my heart's turning up the pace. I don't care about what we do if I get to.
So once I'm ready and dressed for the day, I'll go ahead and move into our bedroom and open the blinds and get the bed made and pick up anything that needs to be tidied. I really like to get our bed made first thing in the morning. I just feel like It kind of gets the ball rolling and gets me motivated, and I'm so much more productive to do things throughout the rest of the day.
Fix your eyes on me. I can't help myself, fall in love, I go crazy. What you wanna do now? Should we head back to my place? When you give me that smile, think my heart's turning up the pace. I don't care about what we do if I get to be with you. What you wanna do now? What's to be afraid of when we're young, stupid, and in love?
Shooting me with words, but I won't let them bruise.
I really wanted to take a few minutes to go ahead and tidy up the living room. There really wasn't a big mess. It was really just folding some blankets and putting a few things away, but it made the house feel so much cleaner, and it made me feel ready to tackle the rest of the day.
Like a ricochet, it will come back to you. 'Cause I don't care about you anymore. So you can't hurt me like you did before. Let me tell you, not because my eyes are...
I told my husband, since he had made breakfast and that he was trying to surprise me with it, it was just a thoughtful gesture that I would go ahead and clean the kitchen on this morning. So I'm just going to go ahead and get everything put away and all the dishes washed.
Words are hurtful, it's just not right. No, because my eyes are open, your words will keep bouncing away. Like a ricochet, like a ricochet, like a ricochet, like a ricochet. I used to let it in, all the things you said. Try to turn me into somebody.
If you're new here, I just want to say welcome and thank you so much for watching my videos and for supporting me. It really does mean the world to me.
And tell you that I'm alright, like a ricochet, it will come back to you. 'Cause I don't care about you anymore. So you can't hurt me like you did before. Let me tell you, not because my eyes are open, your words will keep bouncing away. And even if you're trying to hurt me, my skin's getting thicker each day. Don't know how you fall asleep at night, knowing that your words are hurtful, it's just not right. No, because my eyes are open, your words will keep bouncing away.
were in high school when they met, and things got kinda awkward. With sparks in the
Once the kitchen is clean and we're all dressed and ready for the day, we will usually find something to do so that we can spend a little quality time together and just enjoy each other's company.
Ooh, they would be together. Ooh. And one day she said, write me a love song, 'cause I know you'll make it.
I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope it gave you an idea of what a typical fall morning looks like in our house. If you enjoyed it, please give this video a thumbs up, and if you're new, please consider subscribing. I would love to have you join this amazing little family I have here on YouTube, and thank you so much for watching this video. It really does mean the world to me. I will see you all in my next one. Bye.
Probably something about her eyes and how they're always shining, or something cliche like ooh.